Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what ports you have and why it matters. HDMI can carry audio, DisplayPort supports higher refresh rates, and USB-C/Thunderbolt can carry video and power. Once done, connect the first monitor with the native cable to avoid adapters. Adapters add complexity. Make sure drivers and OS updates are current so the system will recognize multiple displays. This step prevents guesswork later and sets you up to add the second monitor without driver conflicts. Now add your second screen. If you have a second physical video port, plug it directly. If not, use a Thunderbolt dock or a USB-C/Display Link adapter because they offload video processing. Once connected, power both monitors and select the correct input on each. This ensures the laptop sees them. If the laptop sleeps, wake it so detection completes. After detection, open display settings to arrange primary versus secondary. This is where you decide orientation and which screen extends or mirrors. Finish by configuring resolution and scaling so text and windows look correct. Choose which monitor is primary and drag the virtual screens to match physical placement. If one monitor fails to appear, update GPU/display drivers and try swapping cables or ports to isolate hardware versus software causes. Make sure any dock is powered. As a troubleshooting tip, test each monitor individually. If it works alone but not together, the issue is likely bandwidth or dock limits rather than the monitors themselves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.